So now let's see how we can work around with view options inside of a Figjam file. To access out the view options, you go to menu right here, and over here you can see view is option. So over here, if I were to zoom in, you can see out the dots right here for reference. So if you want to disable that out, you can go around over here, go to view, and then uncheck the show dot grid right here, so that is not shown anymore. So it is all up to your personal preference whether you want this or not. Similarly, if you want to see the resource used, then you can go around over here into resource use and see this out, as you can see right here. And you can see how much resource is being used as you use the application. You can see that show and hide UI is an option as well. So you can click on this and all the UIs are hidden. So simply press Control / to bring everything back over here as it shows right here. So there's multiplayer cursor. So this is something that will be shown if you're working with someone and they are using the mouse as well. And you got different zoom in option right here. So you can zoom in out, zoom in right here, and you can zoom out over here as well. As you can see, you can go around, zoom to fit. You can go around, use selection right here. Then you can go around into zoom to selection and so forth, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with the view options inside of a Figjam file to navigate around. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.